I just want to understand where we are. How should I take you as a friend or a lover? Need to get things clear how you feel. 'Cause I know there's something there. Are you just scared? Are you just scared? Are you scared? Or is that something else? Well, I hate your game that you play with me, with my heart burn me up inside. It's in the way that you smile. Every time feels like you're in love. It feels like you're in love. If we're just friends, then let me know. I talk with you no more, at least for a while. Gonna take some time. I've never been in love before, so I don't know for how long it takes. Feels like you're in love.
Oh, I'm in love. Think I'm in love. It ain't no game that I play with your heart. I'm just afraid